Get excited about the 2011 BMW M3. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has less than 10,000 miles. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, power front seats, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.